Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to activate your card online through cmp.emlpayments.com. This process is quick and easy, allowing you to start using your card as soon as possible. Follow the instructions below to activate your card. Step 1. Visit cmp.emlpayments.com. Open your web browser and go to the official website, cmp.emlpayments.com. Step 2. Locate the Activate Card section. On the home page, look for the Activate Card button or link. This is usually prominently displayed. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 3. Enter your card information. You will be asked to input details from your card. This typically includes card number, located on the front of your card, CVV, the 3-digit security code on the back of your card, expiration date, the month and year listed on your card. Make sure to enter this information accurately. Step 4. Enter personal information. After entering your card details, you may be required to provide some personal information for verification purposes. This could include your full name, date of birth, address, phone number. Fill in the required fields as directed. Step 5. Review and confirm. Double-check all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Review your card details, personal information, and any other required fields. Once you are sure everything is accurate, click the Activate button to proceed. Step 6. Confirmation of activation. Once you have successfully activated your card, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive an email or SMS confirming that your card is now active and ready to use. Step 7. Start using your card. Your card is now activated. You can start using it for online purchases, in-store payments, or any other services that accept this card. Tips and troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, ensure that all the information is entered correctly. Make sure your internet connection is stable during the activation to avoid interruptions. If your activation fails or you need assistance, contact customer support through the website for further guidance. That's it. You've successfully activated your card on cmp.emlpayments.com. Now, enjoy all the benefits of your new card.